Hey guys, Dirt and Rust here. Just got back from the flea market. I got some tools at the flea market here on this side, and this is from earlier in the week. I went to some yard sales and got some pretty cool tools. First of all, I got this fire hydrant wrench. It's a Desco 159. I had the 160 and I sold that. Got this. Now this is. I did a little research on this, and it's called. It's a grain drill wrench. Whatever a grain drill is. I don't know if you guys know. I think it might be some kind of a farm equipment. That was cool. Let's see. I paid $5 for that. I paid $5 for that. Kind of paid up. All at the same place, and I got this as well for $5. This Hewing Axe. It's True Temper. Really cool. It's a good size axe. It's flat on the bottom here. Let's see if I can measure that real quick. Sorry guys. So you can get an idea how big it is. Anyways. Then I got this for $3 at a garage sale. And it's a number 35. Looks like Babco. I have not come across one of these. I did a quick research on them. I think they're definitely collectible and sought after. So this one needs a whole lot of work. They wanted $5 for it, and I was able to get it for $3. I really don't even know if it's moving, but I had to pick that up. It's really cool. Alright, that was my yard sale, garage sale stuff. And now here's what I got at the flea market today. I had to pay up for these John Deere wrenches here, combo wrenches. I paid $25 for the both of these. You know, the guy originally wanted like $30 for this one, $25 for that one, but I just kept holding on to my price. I had a price in my head. I offered him $20, and he came down, and I just stuck to $25, and eventually he said, okay, take them. And then got this Armstrong Spanner. 34-360. Got this old Atari joystick belt. It's pretty cool. I paid $2. And this I paid $1. And I got these wire cutter strippers here. Made in the US by the Thomas and Betts Co. Stay con. Then I got this Pexto Pliers here. Kind of stuck, but I'm gonna have to try to get those loose. Pretty cool. And he wanted $8 for these, and I was able to get them for $6, both of them. And that's it. Not a whole lot, but some pretty good quality finds. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.